Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I actually have a Target dollar spot haul to share with you guys, and here is Bear, as always, has to be the center of attention, so he'll probably in and out of the video today. Oh yeah. Alright, you go over there. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the items that I found at my Target in the dollar section. So I guess I will go ahead and start off with some of the fabric material items first. Alright guys, so the first item that I have for you are these ladies socks. These were found with some of the football items. And this I thought was really cute. It says, "Do not disturb mom off duty." I'm actually going to be giving these to my mom because I thought these were really cute for her. These are $1, which is a great bargain for a pair of little socks. Next, I hit the jackpot on the fuzzy socks, so I picked up 4 pairs of these. These are $1 a piece, and I picked 2 of the pumpkin print since this one was my favorite one. I love the different colors of the pumpkins on here. These are super soft and just feel really warm, which is perfect for the fall and winter. So if you do hear some noise, my animals are over here to my left playing, so if you hear some noises going on, that's what it is. So I picked up 2 of these guys, and then I grabbed one of the burnt orange with a gray stripe on them. And then the other one that I grabbed were the other pair of striped ones with the gray toe and heel. They also have a light gray with dark gray polka dots on it that I did not pick up, but I did grab these 4. Then the next 2 items are the dish towels from the dollar spot. So you get 2 towels in each set, so I'll go through them with you. So the first one that I grabbed was the pumpkin one. And this one says, "Tell me something spooky," and it has a little fringe on the bottom here, which is really cute. Really. And then the one on the back just has the pumpkin print. They're actually upside down, which I find kind of funny. But my favorite one is this little white guy right here. His little face is really cute. That's the first one. And then this one, I haven't seen anybody else haul, which is interesting. But this one is actually probably my favorite since it has my favorite Halloween saying on here, and it has a little black cat on here, which is my favorite since I do have a kitty. And then the other towel just says "trick or treat" all over it. I guess we'll go for some of the craft items. I picked up 2 sticker sheets. So this first one is the holographic ones. So hopefully those show up on camera for you guys. They have some of the characters that they're using in the decorations this year in the dollar section. So like this little Frankenstein and the ghost. I think the witch and the cat are also they have other decorations for as well. And then the other one that I grabbed were the glitter puffy stickers. Here they are. Which are really cute. And these are $1. So I did pick up 2 sticker sets. And then I found a pack of the 6x6 scrapbook paper. You get 40 sheets in here. That's what that looks like. So this print here, trying to get the glare in there, has little black background with ghosts. This one has white with bats, black and white stripe, orange and black trick or treat, orange and black stripe, and then you get a orange and black checkered print here. And this also says that it comes with a bonus stencil sheet, which I don't see anywhere on here, and I haven't opened it yet to know what that looks like, but it does say that it is included. So I'm kind of curious to see what that looks like, but I don't have anything to open it right now, and these are kind of a pain in the butt to get open without a sharp object. The next item that I picked up, and those were $3. Then the next one that I grabbed was also $3. This is one of the wooden stamp sets. That's what they look like. Thought they were really cute. Again, I love this little cat. It says Trick or Treat, Boo, and my favorite, Hocus Pocus is in here. Always a great addition. So you get 6 in here for $3, which isn't a bad deal. If you've ever been to like Michael's or Joann's looking for wood stamps, that is definitely not a bad deal. And then the other item that's kind of more fall or football, I guess, related that they have out right now, but I use more for crafting, are these tickets. That's what they look like. These were $1, and they're basically just a roll of like raffle tickets that you get at the fair or like school events, things like that. So I picked those up to use in some of my crafting projects. And then, let's see. So next item I grabbed are these cellophane bags. And I grabbed these in spooky skeleton hands. They do have the little twist ties so you can seal them shut. You get 20 in here. I thought these were super cute. I'm actually going to be stuffing these with candy and making little tags, like little Halloween tags, to give to my team at work. So I thought this would be really great for that. And these were $1. They had green like witch hands, and then they had regular like square shaped regular bags with like candy and monsters and ghosts and different things like that on them. But I went ahead and grabbed the skeleton hand because I thought that was kind of a little more unique and different than the typical what I normally hand out at Halloween time. The next one here that I thought was really funny. My husband came with me this morning when we went Target shopping, and he found this one. These are outdoor yardsticks. This was $3. That's what it looks like. And it has the yardstick that goes in the back of it. And this says, for rent, very small, 1 bedroom, neighbors are dead quiet. So that's that one. It's super cute. We did only grab one of these. They had a couple different ones, but this is the one that we decided to pick up. I also found the decanter tags. These were $3. You get 4 of them in there. I thought these would just be really cute to put on some like light up decorative potion bottles and things that I have and that I plan to be making this year. So I thought these would be really great to decorate those. You have poison, elixir, potion, and then venom. These are metal and they have little chains on them that you can just put over the neck of the bottles. And then what else do I have? Something not super exciting, but I thought it was kind of cute. I picked up one of the decorative poster in the wood grain. I thought these would be great to be used for a backdrop for future videos, or to use as like a background for eBay, Poshmark listings, things like that. Kind of multi-purpose, but I really did like this one, so I went ahead and picked it up. They had one that had orange pumpkins all over it, and then they had a blue and white checkered print. I just went for something a little bit more neutral that I can kind of use all year round, so I went with the wood grain. One of the things I was most excited about was I was able to grab one of the giant Hocus Pocus wooden wall signs. This was $5. There's the tag there. I absolutely love this. This does not have the wall hooks. So if you wanted to hang it on the wall, you would have to put something on here to stick it on a command hook or a nail or whatever you wanted, just to make sure that it was secure. I will probably be putting this as a centerpiece above my mantle on the fireplace, just because I think it'd be a great centerpiece for that. I also found one of the black glittered potted trees. I bought one of the, I think it was last year that they had the little trees, but they were in like a little burlap sack thing, I think. I do really enjoy that one as well. This one I feel like is a lot more sturdy, to where if you wanted to maybe hang a couple ornaments on it, you definitely could. I also like the fact that it's like in an urn, which reminds me of like the Haunted Mansion. It just kind of gives me those kind of vibes. So I really do like this. I will also probably be putting him on my mantle to decorate as well. Since I have 2 trees now, I'll probably put them on both sides. Okay, this was one that I had seen a couple other people find, and they have a couple different designs in them. I picked up October 31st. The other one that they had left at the store when I finally got there was said poison on it or something, but it was really, really small and I wasn't a big fan of it. But this one I did really like. One thing I wasn't aware that I've seen, because I've seen other people haul these, but they never say that they actually light up, which I thought was really cool. Let's see if I can, oh, there he goes. I just thought this was so cute. I absolutely love this. Very cute. And he was $3. So, that guy. And then the last 2 items that I have are kind of more food, kitchen related. The first are the appetizer plates in the pumpkins. So I picked up these. I love the packaging on this, how it's just a simple little twine, which I can easily reuse for another project or for packaging on a gift or, you know, many, many things. But I absolutely love these. They're like almost like a chalkboard paint with white or black speckles on there. Really, really cute. I thought these would be cute to use for like snacks and stuff, because I'm always taking snacks to my computer desk with me, so I thought this would be great to kind of put grapes or a cookie or whatever you're in the mood for on these little plates, instead of using napkins or, I don't know, paper plates or something. But anyways, I grabbed this set. They also had them in green, and I think orange is the other color, but I really like the white ones because they go with my kitchen. And then the last thing, not the most exciting of things, but I'm glad that I picked it up. This is one of the, I guess you call it like a soup bowl, or at least that's what I plan to use it. This is a giant mug, so it's got a little handle on here. It has a plastic lid with a vent on it, so you can take that off, and it's just a nice big mug. I tend to use these for soup, just because it's a little easier than putting it in a bowl, and just kind of a more fun seasonal item. This was $3, and they are dishwasher safe, which was a huge seller for me. I typically will not purchase things that don't go in the dishwasher. Just makes life a little easier. Yeah, so these are dishwasher and microwave safe without the lid. So if you are putting them in the microwave, make sure you take the lid off. Everything that I picked up at the Target dollar spot so far this year. Hopefully I will stay away and not spend any more money over there, but can't ever say never. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!